Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to import library in iTunes. Let's begin. So there are actually two ways of importing a library, guys, in iTunes. I'll show you how. First is you need to make sure that, of course, your iTunes is up in your computer. And then make sure as well that, say for example, if you would want to import your library from your iPhone and going to computer, or if you just get it to your laptop, it's important that your iTunes has recognized your iPhone, or you're able to connect or sync. And one way for you to know that they're sync is you would be able to see this icon right here, the iPhone icon beside music. And then when you click on that, you would be able to select, or say for example, you do like be able to sync your photos, or if you have your music that you want to sync in your iCloud music library, if you want to do sharing. So there's like tons of things that you can do, which you could actually see that in other video tutorials. So just please subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more. So when you want to import library, so first you can just either add file to library or do control O for Windows computers, and you could also add folder to library. So either way, guys, if you would do the add folder to library, so you could just actually click on this one and do that. Or the other option is to add folder to the library. It's pretty much the same, just select a folder, and then that's how you actually import. The other option is for you to go to edit and then go to preferences, and then go to general. There's way for you to just tick on this one, guys, for you to actually import. Okay, so when you do that, just hit an OK, and pretty much your iTunes would sync, and it would upload or import the library that you have for iTunes in your computer. So there, I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.